with his song. He sang us hymn to me in all my darkest pain. And then he looked right through me as if I wasn't there. And he just kept on singing, singing clear and strong, strumming my pain with his fingers, singing my life with his song, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly. Okay naman, marami lang hazing sounds. Pero pang The Voice. The Voice mo, Ate Weng. Salamat po, kuya. Kasi nga po itong V8 ko ay na-stock. Na-stock po siya, so ngayon ko lang siyang inayos ulit. Pero baka siguro sa mga susunod na panahon ay magpapalit na tayo ng V8. Kasi medyo obsolete na to, luma na. Wala na ibang mga features. Thank you so much po, Kuya Ronaldo. Mega mega love shoutout sa ating two thumbs up in the house. Drumming my pain with his fingers. Tapos na po, practice lang. Ayan, mega love shoutout sa ating Ate Rowena Ocado. Dumalaw sa ating live. Mega love shoutout. Sige, pumili na tayo nito. Mega mega love shoutout sa ating two thumbs up in the house. May dalawa na pong dumalaw sa ating live. Mega love shoutout. Strong and true, a man confined, a lady with a plan, believing that love is a neat little package. I'm holding my hand. I've got it together. They call me the girl who knows just what to say and do. Till fumble and fall, run into the wall. 'Cause when it comes to you, woman in love, a kid out of school, I don't know sound, fire out of control, just another fool. Exactly when I win, like a feathers. Hello, sound check. Hello, hello. You see, I'm just another woman, just another woman.